Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Skoda Kodiaq key for battery. This came out of 2020 Skoda Kodiaq, but it used also for different makes and models. The battery you will need is a CR2032, and you can click on the link below to get it online. So pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key out. We pull this button to the right, and then we simply take the key out like that. Now we have to take this cover off. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a small flathead right here where was the key. I'll just insert and I pry up very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure, just like that. Once again, something like that, inside, and gently pry up. Then we take the cover off. Do not apply a lot of pressure, okay? There is no need. As you can see right here, CR2032. I will take the small flathead and underneath, once again, right here, okay, you see there is a space, small slot underneath. But this is a good battery, so I'll use it again. You slide it down and you press, put the cover back, and that's it. As you can see, it works all good. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.